Welcome to 433 Spring Oak Lane. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front porch and updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring inside sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Abington Park neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. Near the summit, it's convenient to I-20, I-77, Northeast Columbia area amenities, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front. You can see it's an attractive 2-story home from the outside, and you have the 1-car driveway and garage. As you approach, as you can see, some nice landscaping out front as well, just with some of the bushes and the nice palm. And then you also have, as we mentioned, a covered front porch as you approach, side lights on either side of the front door. And as we step inside into the foyer here, you can see you have the stairs going up to the second level, some living space there to the right. And then immediately as we enter here on the left, you have a coat closet, conveniently right off the entry, as well as a half bathroom or powder room. Perfectly located for guests. So you have a pedestal sink as well as a commode in there. And then on the opposite side here, as you can see, you have your living space or your formal living room, sort of off the entry foyer. It's open to the dining area or the formal dining room, as you can see there, but you have a couple windows towards the front of the house. And then again, the aforementioned dining room, which is a nice size. You're gonna see luxury vinyl plank flooring. Again, it's throughout the main level and also in the upstairs. It's also in the bathrooms in the property as well, and laundry room. So you have a kitchen here off of that dining room, as you can see. So it is nice open kitchen. You have a center island open to an additional sort of eat-in dining area off of the kitchen, which opens to the sliding door to the backyard. So you have a center island here, as well as stainless steel appliances. So there is a dishwasher, you have smooth top electric range, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator. And then on this side, you have a walk-in pantry. And then we'll turn you around and you can see family room or additional living space here off of the dining area and kitchen. So sort of a nice open plan room, but you still have the additional formal living and dining as well. So out back, you have a patio in the backyard. Nice sized backyard. You do benefit from some neighboring fencing there, but it is open towards the front, and a couple of pine trees and other trees in the yard as well. But a nice sized yard. So back inside, we'll head back down this sort of center hall, and right off of here is access to the laundry room. So you have a full-size laundry / mudroom. So you have full-size washer dryer connections in here, and then also sort of an alcove or just some extra space where you can put a bench or some shelving there to store shoes or other items, kind of as a staging area as you go in and come out. And then the 1-car garage, we have a smaller mid-sized SUV just parking here right now, just to give you an idea of scale. But it is a 1-car, you have your water heater and some other things in there as well. So we'll head to the second level. All 3 bedrooms and both full bathrooms rather, are upstairs. And you can kind of see a couple of those as we come off the landing. So we'll just start on our left and continue around. You have a linen closet here right off the landing. One of your 2 secondary bedrooms is here as well, facing the back of the house. You have an attic pull down in there with some possible storage. Ceiling fan in all rooms, I believe. And a decent sized closet there in the corner. And then you have your second full bathroom in addition to the primary. Again, the LVP flooring in there, single vanity and some strip lighting, as well as a nice shower and tub. And this is the other secondary bedroom, also faces the rear of the home. Nice size closet, has some bifold doors as well. And then last, but certainly not least, the primary suite, which is front facing. You do have a nice tray ceiling in here with a ceiling fan as well. But it's also a nice sized room with its own private bath. So you have the single sink and the extra vanity space, as well as a garden tub. And then near the back, you have a separate walk-in shower. Your commode is sort of in an alcove here, and then last but not least, your walk-in closet at the very back of the space. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 433 Spring Oak Lane in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.